So the same hole again. Pull it through with needle nose. Make sure it's not twisted on you. Pop the shell in. This is, I think, 2.5 inches wide. And I offset the slots so they're not in the center, so that the bullet will have plenty of room to lay nicely. Pop it through there. Grab the strap, pull it through. Set your round in there. Pull it nice and tight. Up and through. Nice and tight. This is just one method. I mean, if one wanted to sew the loops on, they definitely can. But I learned this method from an old timer, and he swears by it, and so that's good enough for me. Pull it tight. Tuck it down in the same slot. I don't know if we got enough to grab hold. Oh, just barely. Grab it around. Pull it through. Nice and tight. And one more time. Nice and tight.